Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to use Telegram. Telegram is a messaging app, which uses your phone number to message other people and find other people. It's similar to Viber. So, after downloading the Telegram, click on Telegram now. You need a phone number to use the Telegram. So, just remember that, after opening the Telegram, click on Start Messaging Now. Over here enter your country's code. I'm from Nepal, so I'm entering Nepal's phone number code, which is +977. If you have a different country, you can just click on the country name, which is Nepal, and then select whichever country you want from here and enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on this icon over here. So, let me enter my phone number over here really quick, and you're going to receive the verification code in your SMS. So, just wait for some time, until the verification code arrives. After receiving the login verification code, enter it, and after entering the verification code, you have entered Telegram. So now, you can add your friend using the search bar over here on the source bar, and entering your friend's phone number over here, and it's going to search for the person using their phone number, or you can chat with your friend. Let's say I want to chat with Hi Sam, I can just click on Hi Sam, and type him like hi like this. If I want to, I can also call them as well, like just click on Wizzy, and over here, there's this street art. I can click on the street art and click on call, video call him. Like that. It's basically similar to the Messenger app. So, Telegram is used for communicating. It's similar to Viber. So that's basically how you use Telegram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.